Have you ever wondered how ads seem to know you? Today, we dive into the world of digital persuasion. Digital technologies transform how we communicate and influence each other. Let's start with targeted advertising and micro-targeting. This means advertisers use your data to send personalized messages. The data includes your browsing history and social media activity. For example, if you search feeling anxious, you might see ads for therapy or anxiety apps. Micro-targeting increases the effectiveness of messages. They align with your preferences. Political campaigns use this strategy too. They target undecided voters with local issues. However, there are risks. This method can exploit vulnerabilities, like targeting lonely individuals with harmful content. Next, let's talk about social media influencers. Influencers are users with large followings. They promote products and lifestyles, creating a personal connection. This connection makes their advice seem trustworthy. Why do young people trust influencers more than professionals? It's often due to the emotional bond formed. This is known as a parasocial relationship. Social workers must recognize this trend and strive to provide credible alternatives. Now let's explore algorithmic persuasion and filter bubbles. Social media platforms aim to keep you engaged. They often show content confirming your beliefs. This can lead to confirmation bias and filter bubbles. These bubbles limit exposure to different viewpoints. This can polarize society and reinforce existing opinions. Social workers need to understand how these algorithms affect clients' perspectives. To illustrate this, consider online therapy with nudges and reminders. Telehealth platforms make it easier to engage clients. While helpful, we must respect client autonomy and informed consent. In summary, digital persuasion presents unique opportunities and risks. Targeted advertising can enhance message effectiveness, but may exploit vulnerabilities. Social media influencers shape opinions through trust and emotional bonds. Algorithms filter information, creating bubbles that can polarize views. As we navigate this digital landscape, being aware of these dynamics is crucial. Social workers must understand and adapt to these changes. Now, it's time to evaluate your digital interactions. Reflect on how persuasion affects your choices. Make informed decisions when engaging with content online.